Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skool account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Skool referral code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Skool referral code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Skool, you know that sometimes they run promotions that if someone uses your referral code, they get some sort of a discount, and you also get a percentage of their monthly membership if they sign up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skool account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, if you need a Skool referral code, check my description. I'll try to leave mine there. So if you want to find your Skool community referral code, what you're going to do is click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. Okay, once you click on settings, you're going to see this drop-down menu here on the left. And in order to get your Skool community referral code, you're going to click here on affiliates. Okay, once you click there, it's going to show you what promotion they're running. So you can see right now, Skool is running a promotion that if somebody uses my referral code and they end up paying the fee to sign up for a membership, I get 40% recurring revenue, which is pretty good. And in order to get your Skool community referral code, you're going to click down here on this orange copy button. Right now that your Skool community referral code is copied to your clipboard, you can easily paste it into a Facebook post, your YouTube video, or wherever you normally post your referral codes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Skool community referral code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.